Evil Hellcat. Very nice. Oh yeah. Into the sunset. Or sunrise. I don't know what it's doing right now. Oh, Plymouth. Plymouth what? Plymouth Fury. Very nice. Yeah. There you go.
This is more like a K car. That's what I was looking. This one here.
Turbo. Holy, are the Dakotas going to a different meet or something?
Dakotas.
What's going on here? Yeah, I don't know how what's gonna work out. You should come to St. Thomas, man. You'll get in for free.
Coming.
You're coming for free, man.
I'm coming.
You're cameraman number 2.
Where can I meet you at Highway 9? Yeah. I'm not afraid to sneak online.
6-pack. 6-pack. I think it's the three throttle bodies, right? Hard out. How many pounds of boost? 2 pounds? Man. 22, my man. Magnum PI.
Fucking off-roader, buddy.
Wow.
Fuck, that thing bucks.
It looks like the Magnum Mafia one. Hey? Oh, look at the size difference. Little Red Express.
Can't get one.
It's big meat. It's a big meat.
Yeah.
Wow.
Talking to the guy with the blue C8 there.
Yeah.
He said best car he's ever drove.
The C8?
He's worked here for 31 years.
It's a good mix of stuff.
Best handling.
Oh yeah.
Insurance is cheap.
Yeah.
People can jump rope.
Oh. Oh, here we go. SRT4, 22 pounds of boost. Wonder what he runs. Look at that. Well, it says 1320, so it's probably down the track. 11 seconds, you think? 11-second buckaroonies? That's awesome. Just the 5.7, eh?
Nothing to see here, just a 5.7.
Here we go, Truckee boys. There's a lot of purple here, eh?
Something crazy, come on.
Plum crazy, you're right.
Crazy.
You're right.
Who are you guys shooting for?
Myself.
No, I'm just getting B-roll for on
nice.
the company video.
Are you? Oh, okay.
I'm just using a regular old plain old gimbal, nothing fancy.
Yeah.
Where do we go for the tour?
Yeah.
Main gate, you have a, you're not on the list though, you need a blue.
Oh, we need a list?
Yeah, you need the blue badge.
Oh. Can we get it?
The CR1 is going to be 170 US.
Yeah.
So probably 250, 270 Canadian.
Yeah. Hey, hey, he's signed too, eh? Sorry I didn't get your name.
I'm John.
John? Frederick.
How you doing, Frederick?
Yeah.
Mopar Bro on YouTube.
Yeah. Oh, okay. So you're a YouTube channel.
Yeah, just YouTube.
My YouTube channel is just model trains.
Well, hey, it's still something, right? They're popular too. Some model trains are expensive.
Engines that are $1,000 or more for one engine.
Yeah.
Look at it.
I got enough for my, this is just B-roll.
Yeah.
This is my B-roll.
Yeah. All right. Thanks, man. Oh, Viper Boy. There you go.
Let me hear it. Oh yeah.
Very nice. Charger Daytona. Cummins.
Yeah.
Oh, that's beautiful. 1970 Barracuda. 340. Woo. That's a nice color. Plymouth, another one. Oh, this is an old one, eh? With the back windshield. That's cool. That is clean.
Wow.
See the back windshield?
Wow, moist. Fucking moist.
Wow. Another Mirada. Hey?
Cursing gears, huge road.
Ooh, a Hornet.
Stealthy.
GT.
Scar the meat.
Plymouth Prowler. Plum Crazy. Hellcat. Oh, right. Hey, look, it says Ram on that. Wait, is it a Ram? No way. Is it? A Ram what? A Ram 50?
Ram 50, huh?
I didn't know these existed.
Yeah, they come for a while, but they did.
A Ram 50.
It was the economy, you know, in that era where everything was downsized in economy.
You mean this year? You mean 2025? Yeah.
There you go.
Whoa, I didn't know that. That's definitely a Hot Wheels.
Yeah.
That's rare then, eh?
Oh, I would think so. I haven't seen any of them for a long time.
Jeez. That's cool. Ram 50. Looks like a S10.
Yeah, basically, I
Yeah.
would have had like a Mitsubishi or something like that for an
Right.
engine, you know what I'm
Yeah.
saying?
Yeah.
That's what they would have had, like a little four-banger, nothing in them.
Just like the Stealths, right?
Yeah.
Because the Stealths were like GT, Mitsubishi GT 3500s, I think. Forgot what they were called. That's cool. Never seen one of these before. Very unique. That is cool.